Hey there, why don't you come and join my nephews and I? We are traveling to Florida and making our way to Disney Springs today. So let's go. Good morning. So it's just before 4 a.m. and in the car already and getting ready to head over to our meeting spot to head to the airport because we're off to Disney and Universal today. Right, here we go. I got the boys and we're going to be off in no time. Shout out to my brother-in-law that is driving us to the airport. Are we excited?
Mm-hmm.
Yay!
If it wasn't 4:30, I'd be more excited.
Off to the airport.
Serving gates A56 through A78. Is forward the handrail in preparation
Welcome to Disney Springs Lego store. This is one of my absolute favorite spots. Enjoying Disney Springs! We're on our way to the Star Wars store and then we're doing dinner at the Irish pub. So looking forward to both these things. Billy is hanging out with us, so I'm loving that because I don't normally get to spend much time with her. So where's DeVoe? I need to do another thing. DeVoe, eat your heart out. I spend time with Mom. Right. We're gonna check in early. See if we can get in early. So far, good day. Thank you. Make sure to like and subscribe. Hey, thanks for traveling with us on our very first day down in Florida. We have multiple more days to show you, and including if you are a Harry Potter fan, you're going to want to check in. Make sure that you check out the packing video that I did if you want to see how I packed for Florida. A little different than my normal packing, but packing nonetheless.